Forever in my memory. Unveiling the beauty of emotional phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a deeply emotional and meaningful phrase, forever in my memory. This phrase is not just a collection of words, it's a sentiment, a warm embrace from the past. Let's unfold its significance together, ensuring you can both understand and use it effectively in your English conversations. Forever in my memory is a phrase that beautifully encapsulates the idea of everlasting remembrance. When someone says this, they're expressing that a person, place, event, or moment has made such a profound impact on them that it will always be remembered. The word forever signifies an unending duration, while in my memory highlights the personal space within one's mind where these cherished memories reside. This phrase is often used in contexts of reflection and remembrance. You might find it in eulogies or tributes, where someone is commemorating a loved one who has passed away. Anniversaries of significant events, whether they're joyous or somber. Personal reflections shared in conversations, letters, or social media, where individuals reminisce about impactful moments or people in their lives. To use this phrase, you might say, "My grandmother's kindness and wisdom are forever in my memory," or "The day we met is forever in my memory." It conveys not just the act of remembering, but also the promise of never forgetting. Understanding the emotional depth behind "forever in my memory" can enrich your English learning journey. This phrase often carries a tone of nostalgia, love, respect, or longing. It's a bridge between the past and present, allowing one to hold on to the essence of moments that have deeply touched their heart. When you hear or use this phrase, it's an invitation to connect with someone's inner world, to share in the permanence of their cherished memories. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the phrase, "forever in my memory." We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also your understanding of how language can beautifully express the depths of human emotions. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying feelings, stories, and connections. Keep this phrase close to your heart, and use it to share your most treasured memories with the world. Until next time, keep learning and keep sharing.